Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of George Maluleka. Mamelodi Sundowns are looking at loaning out midfielder George Maluleka to get some game time. This is due to former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder having failed to convince co-coaches Rhulani Mokoena, Manqoba Mngqithi and Steve Komphela since he joined the club from Amakhosi in the middle of 2019-2020 season. The trio of coaches prefer Andile Jali, Hashim Domingo and Rivaldo Kotsi in central midfield, where Maluleka was brought in to operate after it was clear that Maluleka had no future with the Chiefs. The Soweto Giants decided to part ways with him 2 seasons ago. At that time, Chiefs under coach Ernest Middendorp were on top of the DStv Premiership when 2019-2020 season was halted in March last year due to the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. By June last year, Chiefs could not agree on short-term deal with Maluleka to remain at the club and decided to part ways with him. They fought with Chiefs neck and neck with Sundowns for the league title. He will not give Amakhosi the same commitment after it was clear he had signed with Sundowns, but Maluleka's absence at Chiefs was felt as Sundowns went on to win the league title in the last match of the season. But since he arrived at Kluokop, Maluleka has not featured much. Last season he only started 5 league matches, 1 cup and once in the CAF Champions League. This season, where Sundowns have been unstoppable, Maluleka has yet to start a match and has only featured in 2 league games as a substitute, which is equivalent to 15 minutes. It's clear that Sundowns have no interest in using Maluleka, who signed a 5-year deal when he arrived, which will expire at the end of 2024-2025 season. The SuperSports Mall said Sundowns are looking at loaning Maluleka out in the January transfer window because he is facing stiff competition in the central midfield role. At the beginning of last season, rumors surfaced that Sundowns were looking at loaning him out even before a ball was officially kicked, but co-coaches Mngqithi and Mokoena rebuffed those rumors, saying it was disrespectful to the player. But in the rest of how he has fared since he arrived, Maluleka has no future at Sundowns, with Jali and Kotsi the preferred pairing in the heart of the midfield. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.